Nighthawk AX12 Wi-Fi 6 router setup. Here's a simple 10-step guide to set up the Nighthawk AX12 Wi-Fi 6 router. 1. Unbox the Nighthawk AX12 and connect the antennas if detached. 2. Plug in the power adapter and turn on the router. 3. Connect the router to your modem using an Ethernet cable. 4. Wait for the router's LED lights to stabilize. 5. Download the Nighthawk app on your smartphone. 6. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to set up the router. 7. Create a new Wi-Fi network name and password when prompted. 8. Update the router's firmware if the app suggests it. 9. Connect your devices to the new Wi-Fi network using the credentials. 10. Test your internet connection to ensure the setup is complete. This guide should make the setup process quick and straightforward.